In this video, I will show you how to search for courses using search criteria in Banner 9 registration at the University of La Verne. This is a broad overview of the different ways you can search for classes. The first way is when you have an idea of which courses you want to take by subject area. You can bring up the subject like sociology, partial name, highlight it, and identify it. If you know the course level, identify it. If you know the campus, identify that. If you know the session, make sure that you choose the right session. Full semester, session 1, or session 2. And the instructional method. Everything from asynchronous right down to telepresence. It can be one, it could be some, it could be all. If you leave it blank, it'll search for all. And then click on search. This will give you all the courses by numerical, lowest number to the highest. And you can look at classes right down the list. The second way is when you have an idea of which class to take by number. For example, let's say that you want to look for rhetoric, communication studies, which is college writing A. And we know that that course is 110. And we don't need the title. 110 presumes that the course is undergraduate, so you don't have to identify that. But you could, if you wanted to, and it would be a good idea to narrow the search as much as possible by being precise with the campus that you want to explore, the specific session, and the instructional method. And once you've done the searches that are appropriate, click on search, and you will find all the courses RCS 110 that are offered at the term based on that search criteria. A third method is when you have an idea of which class to take by subject area, more precisely by attribute. You don't know exactly which subject area you want to take, but you know that according to your degree audit, assuming that you are an undergraduate, that you're looking for any courses in social science, because you need 2, any class with a specific attribute LVSS. Put a pin on that. Going back to class search, you'll want to leave the subject area blank. And by leaving it blank, you will look for all courses A through Z that will satisfy the attribute LVSS. You can skip course number, you can skip the title, you can narrow the search by course level to undergraduate, the appropriate campus, the appropriate session, the appropriate instructional method, or leave them blank, and then click on Advanced Search. Under Course Attributes, you want to click there and then type in LVSS and identify the highlighted LVSS Social Science, and then click on Search. This will give you all the classes by alphabetical order, by numerical order, by attribute, LVSS. The final search is when you have no idea what's out there and you want to do a broad search, literally everything under the sun for that upcoming academic term. You can leave everything blank and click on search, and that will bring everything. But oftentimes this is probably not the type of search that you will want to do in your specific case, whether you're an undergraduate or a graduate student. So hopefully the first 3 options will give you a broad idea of how to be more precise with your searches, so that way you can get more out of the search criteria in selecting classes for an upcoming academic term, whether it's the fall semester, spring semester, session 1, or session 2. Thanks for watching.